Hello and welcome to this quick guide to Fire Emblem Heroes running under the Nox Android emulator. Shout out to Ryudo of the BraveXVS.com website providing information of the issue and a possible fix. Yes, I do play Final Fantasy XVS. I play Fire Emblem Heroes on both Nox and on another Android device. The Android device itself plays fine, albeit a bit slowly considering the age of the device, so on occasion it may randomly drop the game back to the desktop. But all I have to do is restart, it will recover the bookmark of my last move, and I get to play on. I use the Nox emulator because there's a lot more processing power to run the various Android titles, and I can have it on in the background during the day. In terms of using Fire Emblem Heroes on Nox, it can be a bit more difficult due to some checks it seems to do that I'm not 100% sure about. Upon release, Fire Emblem Heroes was deemed incompatible on the Play Store. Now, as of this video, it cannot be searched. But you can download the APK and run the APK activator to actually get it up and running fine. The only other problem we have here is the dreaded 803.3001 communications error, which in turn causes the title to continually circle to this error and you can no longer play. This error has been reported on both emulators and Android and Apple rooted devices, though the error occurs in emulators even though they're not rooted. So there are two ways to resolve this issue, but you'll need to have completed some things first. The first thing you need to do is link your account to the My Nintendo account. This is a given if you plan to play Fire Emblem Heroes on multiple devices. It also gives you peace of mind of playing on one device that your saves are uploaded to the servers, plus you get some great bonuses for linking your account. Be aware there are a few issues with linking your account that are known, and it has to be done in a specific order to make sure the accounts are linked between devices. Also, in my experience, do not attempt to link your accounts using anything but the Android standard browser, as it will direct you to a null DNS page and fail. If you've accidentally sent your browser default to a different browser such as Chrome, try resetting or even uninstalling that browser until you get the default Android browser. Then you should be able to link your account. Now, as you can see, I'm stuck in the loop here, so I'll kill the session. Should I kill all these first? Okay. The first thing you can do is when you run into the error, you can go into the settings here. And if you go into the applications, you'll see Fire Emblem Heroes here, and you can actually clear all the data, which will then leave it as the Fire Emblem space build. You can restart happily, it will try to re-attempt to link your account, and then it will re-download the updates. The issue you've got there is it's a 500 megabyte least now footprint. So repeatedly downloading that is going to wreak havoc on your download limits, and it also slows down actually bringing it back into the game. So the other thing you can do in this situation is actually delete your specific user profile. Now to complete this, and in all irony, you actually have to root the Nox app player. To complete this, you need to go into the settings device, system settings of Nox player, and you'll see root. I have selected it on. So once you select it on, it'll ask you to reboot the device, and then you're ready to go. From there, you back into the desktop, you click on the file manager. Now that you've rooted your Nox, you see you've got super user access granted to the file manager. We need to find a specific folder. So you go to the data folder. There are two data folders here. And then we need to find the .com Nintendo folder. Now you can scroll down and find it. The easier way here is to actually just go into the search and type in Nintendo. Say .com.nintendo, and there's the folder. Click in there. We are now in the .com Nintendo folder. We need to go to shared preferences. The file we're looking for here is device account :.xml. Tick that, hold down your left mouse button and delete it. You can then escape your way back through. If you've gone into a different folder that you didn't mean to in the file manager, such as say if you went into account by accident, you can always go back by clicking the back button up the top here. So we'll now leave and we can start. And it's now going to go through and confirm that we can relink our accounts, and we can play Fire Emblem Heroes again without needing to re-download the additional footprint. Anyway, I certainly hope that this helps you, and I'll see you in the field.